Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, and today we are going to make the fingerprint test. We'll check how fast it works and if it is reliable. So as you can see, we can fast the fingerprint sensor on the right edge of the smartphone. It's right here. It's just synchronized with the power button. So I just scan my fingerprint, and right now we are going to start the test. So let's lock the device, and we are going to put the fingerprint for like 5 tries or something like that. So as you can see, it works really good, it's fast and it's reliable for sure, it works every time. So as you can see, it works really well. So that's how the fingerprint sensor works on the Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!